Hey guys, Mike with Old Iron Automotive, and let me tell you, winter's here. It's cold. It's been cold the last couple days. So stuff has slowed down in the shop. Stuff has slowed down as far as car shows, and there's a couple that are going to pop after the first of the year. But we're only in November right now, so we started thinking, and we want to see what you guys are working on. So, any of you guys that want to, do me a favor, do like a 10-15 minute video, show us your car, show us what you're doing to it, and we'll post it, we'll share it with everybody else. That way, and everybody in our little community knows what everybody else is working on. And maybe you guys got questions you're stuck on, maybe somebody can help you with it. Let's get a community going, show us your cars, and we'll get them out there. And we appreciate it. Please like, subscribe, share, and we will see you soon.